We are back at the Sheraton Grande Tokyo Bay. We're staying in a Ocean Dream 2 double bed room this time, which is not in the park wing, it's in the main building. So let's take a look. And again, at this hotel, there's so many different room types with so many different motifs that we could do 1,000 of these probably, and maybe over time we will. Who knows? If you've watched the other one that's on the channel, it's going to look very different. General layout's not wildly different, but the style is different. There's tile here. But things are generally in the same spots and even in the same size in most cases. So here's the closet. Nice storage space up here. You can hang stuff here. Big sliding doors. Apologies, I'm going without the stabilizer because it's midnight and we've been traveling all day. Anyway, we have a safe. There's our safe. Various shoe tools, slippers and such, all there in our illuminated closet. We have a sliding bathroom door with portholes. So the thing I kind of love so this looks out at the ocean, this room. And so there is Ocean Dream, there's an ocean motif. So there's portholes like we're on a ship, which is great. And here we are, and even I'm dressed for the occasion, as you can tell. It's actually a pretty sizable bathroom. As Americans traveling to Japan, you'll find a lot of hotel rooms are relatively small. Sheraton has basically American style and standard rooms, so they can be sizable. This is a pretty standard. I wouldn't say standard. It's bigger than Disney World's value hotel bathrooms, and maybe even the moderate ones for that matter. So nice spacious bath, shower and tub available. Funky shower head. Towels up here. We have our toilet, of course, with the bidet, which is great. And I'll save you all my usual rant about how we should have them in America. Nice big mirror, pretty blue tile work up there. Here's the sink. We've got all sorts of stuff, shaving kits and toothbrushes and all those kinds of things going on here. Some drawers here you can use, cubbies for hand towels and face cloths, etc. There is a little stool there in case someone's not tall enough to see. So Allison, if you're watching, Miss Allison, there's a stool for you to use if you come to Japan. You need that. Moving on. She's gonna send me such a mean note. I think that'll do that. There we go. Here's the coffee station. So, yeah, it's a coffee station. Of our coffee supplies. The ice bucket is here as well. Some cups, of course. It's being Japan, you have to give people water, bottled water. We have a mini fridge, of course, down here. What is going on here? Is this a drawer? No, that just locks. No, does it? Yeah. Okay. It looked like a drawer to me, but it's also midnight. This is one of my favorite things about the Sheraton is this I love this little luggage rack. Also, first off, because it's thematic, right? Those are fake luggage pieces on the front. But also, this is a great place to sit your bag. And then you've got these really cute drawers. Of course, there's kimonos in there. But these are so cute. They just look like, reminds me of a keg and compass on the Wish a bit. Like I said, we have 2 double beds in this room. And then there goes that ocean motif continuing with these strange wood panel dolphins. I love them though. There are a lot of rooms with a lot of different style and colored dolphins here. I've stayed in a lot of them. Sorry, I wasn't recording room tours yet at the time, so they're not very well documented. But yes, climate control over here. I like the ceiling's a good height in these rooms. Nice and high. We've got tissues and the Bible and washcloths and this kooky citizen alarm clock. And, oh, look at this. They've attached, this is new since my last visit. They've attached a little outlet adapter. Maybe knowing we're Americans, I don't know. There's two standard and two USB on there. There's another standard on that side. They put that in themselves. I mean, obviously you can also just take that out, but maybe you can't. Mobile charge only is really just for phones that's intended. I mean, it's between the beds, so it's where people are going to charge their phones. Speaking of phones, the room phone is here. And then the other great thing of this hotel is you can control all the lights from right here, so you don't have to get out of bed. Isn't that great? There's also a bed light. So there's no reading lights up here. This essentially is your reading light. This box that you can raise and lower the brightness on. Over this, we have a nice big TV. You can watch some NHK, my favorite. Here's our little workstation, our desk. I love this glass counter you could see through. It's great because then that way you don't forget anything, right? Right now it's holding the remote and such. You get this nice corduroy-ish chair sitting here. We have a desk lamp we can flip on, nice and bright. A nice big porthole mirror, continuing our ocean dream motif. I like this chair and ottoman. Nice. It's nice. You sit there, you can look out at the ocean. We'll cut to a daytime view at some point so you guys can see it a little better. There's some outlets hanging out down here, but of course there's outlets up here too, standard. But they did at some point install some USB as well. I don't think we're going to have USB-C like the other room did. No, we've got two standard. One's a little more powerful than the other, the USB. Two USB outlets and HDMI and all that jazz are sitting there instead of on the TV unit. There is a lamp out here as well with a foot pedal. And then the pool in the ocean, which we're going to take a peek at real quick. If I can figure this out. Oh, there's two of these. Here we go. The pool area is really pretty. It's like a grotto. It's really charming. You can see the rest of the hotel. And of course that's the ocean. But let's cut to the daytime view so you guys get a better idea of what you're dealing with. So that's your ocean view. Again, this hotel obviously has park view, and being Disney parks people, which you probably are if you're watching this, like me, you probably want to look at the parks, and the parks are really cool looking. So you want to kind of get a view of Mount Prometheus and the castle and all of those things. So you may prefer that. And in most cases, usually, not in this particular case, but usually ocean view is more expensive than park view because more Japanese tourists or guests generally want the ocean view. So keep that in mind. But with that, I think that covers everything. I think that's the room. Again, our I forgot the name of it. It's the Ocean something. Don't record room tours at midnight, everyone. Ocean Dream 2 double bed room at the Sheraton Grande Tokyo Bay here, right near Bayside Station at Tokyo Disney Resort.